So hi guys, so I will today show you how to sign up for the Gurukul test portal and how to use the activation key. So now let's start. So first of all you have to go to Google Chrome. Now you have to type gurukuldigital.com. Now here is the interference that we met here. So now you have to click the three horizontal lines in the corner. Now here as you can see no account is logged in over here. So now we we will sign up for a new account. Now I will fill all the credentials over here. Now mail address. Now phone number. Now we have to enter the password and we have to enter the same password to confirm it. So I will fill the password. Now as you can see guys, I have filled the password. Now you have to just click sign up, and now this is the account I have logged in. Now I will show you how to use the activation code. So first of all, here is the key of activation code. Now we have activation code that has been given to you individually, so you have to use it. Now I have put the activation code. Now I will submit it. Now here you can see the interference that select your text package and unlock it. So if you are giving the exam for JE or if you or NEET, then you have to choose engineering and medical respectively. So I am giving JE entrance examination, so I will pick here engineering entrance. But be careful that if you want select engineering or medical, then you cannot change it again later. So I will these are the medical packages and this is the engineering package. So I will unlock engineering package. So here is the warning message, you will not able to change the package after this. Are you sure you want to unlock engineering entrance? So yes, if you are sure, then click green button. Then yes, I am sure. Now see, congrats, your payment was successful. Then show my bot packages. Now here you have to click the logo and just you have to go to engineering entrance exam and engineering all India, and here is the JE main advance. And now you can see all the tests are free for here. Now many of the students ask that how to do chapter wise tests for crash course DPPs. So you have to click the arrow over here and there is chapter wise tests option. And now I will solve the trigonometry chapter of mathematics. So here is the option of start test. So I will attempt the test. The test is of 15 questions, 15 marks, and the time is 30 minutes. And here you can see the language, that is English. So I will start paper. Now here are some general instructions. so you have to read it carefully. Now I will click next. Now here is the section, that is trigonometry. Number of questions 15, maximum marks 15, and some instructions. Now as you can see here, the red text below the red text there is a box, so you have to click the red box that I have read and understood all the instructions of the exam. Then only you will proceed further, or otherwise you cannot proceed further. So here is the green button, I am ready to begin. Now we will click it, and uh, suddenly the exam will begin. Now here are the questions, and here is the timing of the exam. You can change the subject if it is subject wise test. You can change the subject from here. This is the positive and negative marking questions. This is uh, if you want to report any problem from any question, means incorrect question, wrong question, then you can select it from here. And here is the question, and you can see my timing is running. So you have to choose the correct option. I will choose any random options from here. Now here, as you can see below the screen, there are three buttons: mark for review, clear, and save, and next. Mark for review means if you, one second. Now as you can see, mark for review means uh, the question you don't know, and you have to solve the next problem, then you have to mark for review. And save and next means if you give the question answer 3, so you will save the answer and next. And now if you are given the answers 1 and now you have to clear it, so you can clear by here and select the other option. Now here, as you can see in the right side of the screen, here there is an arrow option, so here you have to click. And as you can see, first question I have marked, so second question I have attempted, and the third question I have not answered, and the white ones are the questions I have not visited. So if you have to submit your text directly, then you can submit it, or otherwise if you want to attempt all the questions of the test, then you can do it also. So I will attempt all the questions. Now I will choose any random options. Now on question 15, when you save and next, there will be an option of are you sure to submit your test. So you have to click yes, and now you will get the summary of the test, that number of questions 15, answered 15, not answered 0, marked for review 0, marked and answered 1, not visited 0. So you have to click just proceed, and you will get your test report. So here is the score, that is 4, and here you can get your accuracy, that is 26.67%, rank, percentage, percentile, and average time per question, that is 1 second per question. So here is the leaderboard, and here is the overview of the questions, that is 73% wrong, 27% correct, and other are not visited and unattempted. So here is the U versus topper, and here is the section wise distribution and attempted efficiency. Now how to see the solution? So below the score you can see here an option of view solution, so you can click it, and here the rate your test experience, so you can give feedback or else cancel it. Now here you can see the correct answer and the option I have selected. So, and this is the whole solution, and for the next question I will go next. And here's the second question, same, the correct answer is 4 and the option I chose was 3. Next, The correct option is 1, and the option I chose is tan 37 degree. So by this, yeah, by this way you have to attempt all the tests of on the Gurukul test portal. Thank you and have a nice day.